Wacky world of learning. Intro 0 o'clock upbeat. Cheerful music playing. Hi friends. Welcome to the wacky world of learning. I'm Wally the wacky wizard, and today we're going on a silly, smart adventure full of giggles, learning, and fun. Scene 1015. The Magic Alphabet Garden. Let's visit the alphabet garden. Each flower grows a letter. What's this one? It's an A. A is for apple. Silly sound effects with each letter. B bounces. C claps, etc. Can you say the letter with me? A, B, C. Great job. Scene 2 1 o'clock. Number Nook. Oh, the number Nook has lost its numbers. Can you help me count and put them back? 1, 2, 3. Oh no, where's number 4? There it is. It was hiding behind the giggle bush. Let's count to 10 together. Ready? Go. Scene 3 2 o'clock. Color cloud castle. Look at those puffy clouds. They're all different colors. What color is this one? Blue, just like the sky. Let's say the colors together. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. You're a color genius. Scene 4 to 45. Dance and learn break. Time for a wacky dance break. When the music plays, we wiggle and shout out what we learned. Fun song. A BC and 1 minus 2 minus 3. Learning is so fun with me. Spin around like a number, hop like a letter, and wiggle like a rainbow. Outro 3:30. You did amazing today. Friends, we learned letters, numbers, and colors all while having fun. Learning can be wacky and wonderful every day. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join me next time in the wacky world of learning. Ending screen 345. Colorful screen with fun animations, soft music, and big text. Thanks for watching.